Hey, I'm Luke with Mcdowells. We just finished this cool cat skin on a 2022 Mustang. So the customer picked out the colors and got it custom to their style. She got her dream car finally, and now we get to put her dream seats in there. Basically with the cat skin, you take all the seats out and all the old upholstery off. This one had cloth seats on it, so we took all the black cloth seats off and then replaced it with the nice bright red new leather with some nice black accents and the diamond stitching patterns on it. And I think it turned out really well. I think the customer's gonna love it. What makes cat skin seats different compared to the factory and aftermarket seats and all that kind of stuff is that they're really form fit. A lot of the times it's difficult to get them on because of how tightly they fit. My favorite part about the process is seeing all the seats finished and complete. I really like the before and after pictures where you get to see how they look versus how they do now. I think you see a drastic difference. I think it's probably one of the most simple yet complex things to do because, I mean, you're just replacing covers, but you have to make them look nice enough to where they look brand new. I hope the customer's gonna be satisfied and happy. She got her new dream car and now wanted to reupholster it with her dream interior, and we did that for her, so hopefully she'll be happy when she comes to pick it up. So yeah, if you guys have any custom seats or interiors you want done, bring it down to Mcdowell's, we'll get you right.